In the name of Allah, most beneficial and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana Tala Haider and my roll number is 88. My presentation topic macroscopic and microscopic characteristics of fungi. My contents are general introduction of fungi, characteristics of fungi, macroscopic and microscopic characteristics of fungi and their importance. Macroscopic characteristics of fungi, importance of macro and micro characteristics of fungi. Before come on my topic, I will introduce briefly about fungi. Introduction of fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Fungi is derived from the Latin word fungor, which means to flourish. The fungi is Greek word myces. The term mycology was derived for the study of fungi. Father of mycology is Pier Antonio Michael, an Italian botanist, first published his research on fungi in 1729 entitled Nova Plantarum Genera. And now, characteristics of fungi. We know that we know that fungi are heterotrophic because chlorophyll are absent. The fungi are eukaryotic. It has thallus body, root, stems, leaf are absent. It is non-vascular. Xylem and phloem are completely absent. On the basis of the above mentioned, the characteristics of fungi may be summarized as follows. Cell wall well defined, made up of chitin or cellulose. Reproduction asexual, sexual or parasexual thyrospores. Structure of thallus body of fungi is mycelium. Mycelium is made up of filamentous which is called hyphae. Habitat ubiquitous, example found everywhere. Nutrition heterotrophic, their mode of nutrition is saprophytic, parasitic and symbiotics. And now macroscopic and microscopic characteristics of fungi and their importance. The fungi comprise a diverse group of organisms that are heterotrophic and saprodic. Fungi are cosmopolitan in distribution, can grow in any place where life is possible. Fungi are classified on the basis of many characters, but some macroscopic features of fungi have been used in fungal classification or identification. Example mushroom, polypore, puffballs, toadstool, or whatever. The macroscopic characters are those features of fungi which we can see in our naked eye and can distinguish those in different parts. For instance, in mushroom, we can differentiate its different parts as cap, gills, annulus, and stalk or stipe. Through the 1800th century and into early 1900th century, fungal classification relied heavily on their macroscopic features of fruiting bodies. Through the late 1800th century, increasing attention given to microscopic features. In the 1900th century, the microscopic features became important. Example, most of yeast and spores. Even within any single type of fruiting body, there may be much variation in shape. For example, while all mushrooms have gills under their caps, mushrooms come in many shapes and sizes. The caps may be steeply conical, hemispherical, slightly convex flat with a central hump, a bit like a cymboreo or funnel. The stem may be cylindrical, narrow at the middle of there is no stem at all. The cap simply grows out of the piece of wood. Fungal identification involved knowing the morphological characters of mushrooms such as their size, color, presence or absence of volva, stipe, ring, scale, reticulum, donation cap and gill. Transverse section of the podocarp are prepared. Mycelial growth and morphology of dried spores are examined microscopically. Fungal hyphae are strained with lactophenol cotton blue solution and observed under microscopic and images captured. Basidiocarp Samples are also prepared to reveal the spore size and morphology. In Basidiomycotina, these different features of mushroom are very important in classification as there are edible and poisonous mushrooms to identify. These mushrooms one could know very well these features to distinguish them. Example toadstools are non-edible, often poisonous mushrooms which generally have white spores. Amanita caesarea, Caesar mushrooms, were used in poisoning Roman Emperor Caesar. The other toadstools are Amanita haloide, deathcap, and Amanita muscaria. This is diagram. This is diagram of mushroom and their parts: cap, gills, spores, stalk, stipe, hyphae, underground hyphae. And now microscopic characters of fungi. Microscopic characters of fungi have more importance in today's fungal classification or identification. The macroscopic characters of fungi are those characters which cannot be seen or distinguished with naked eye. Someone can observe these features under microscopic by using different microscopes. It is very difficult to identify genus or species of fungi. Those microscopic characters are hyphae and spores of fungi. Yeast is single called microscopic fungi. Following microscopic criteria and used to make a genus and a species identification of the fungal isolate. Someone needs to look out on these characters while identifying fungal species. Number 1. If hyphae are observed, determine the structure of the hyphae. Number 1. Is septate or aseptate. Number 2. Branching. If so, at what angle or not branching. Number 3. Pigmented or not pigmented. Number 4. Composed of orthoconidia. Number 4. Composed of orthoconidia or pseudohyphae. Number 5. Determine the structure and derivation of fruiting bodies. Number 2. Visualize the type of conidation. Number 1. The size and shape of the spores or conidia. Number 2. The size, shape and arrangement of the spores. Number 3. Look for the presence of special diagnostic structure. Number 3. If any yeast cells are absorbed. Number 1. Note their size, shape and arrangement. Number 2. Look for the presence of absence of capsules. Number 3. Determine the type of bastoconidation are daughter cells single or multiple. And now importance of macro and micro characteristics of fungi. The above mentioned characters have main importance in biological classification of fungi. Classification is need for convenient fungi study of organisms. These help in correct identification of various fungi. In short, the importance of characters is that we can distinguish different things between fungi. This is all over my presentation with respected teacher Sir Hadi Baksh. Thank you. And now reference book Tanveer Ahmed, book Vasishta, Wikipedia and Biological Decision and KhanAcademy.com.